Hello bird lovers friends, I hope you're doing great. Traveling to southeast Brazil on a birdwatching trip can be quite rewarding. The Atlantic rainforest is the biome with more endemic species in Brazil, beating even the Amazon. Bird-wise, these forests are full of nice and colorful surprises. Check this collection of birds that you must look for when visiting this super interesting part of Brazil. The golden-winged cacique can be found on montane Atlantic forest. Basically sedentary, this blackbird does only some altitudinal movements. With its obvious golden shoulders and rump, pale eyes and beak, this cacique can be quite photogenic at close quarters. Speaking of being photogenic, it's going to be difficult to beat the Brassybreasted Tager. Look at this bright blue mask and orange chest. Wow! Endemic to southeast Brazil, this gorgeous tanager joins mixed flocks in search of fruit. Here, two individuals were eating the fruits of an exotic tree called Japanese plum. What a tanager! This next bird is very shy and sings mostly at dawn and dusk. Also quite photogenic, the rufous-capped motmot is always a target for birders visiting this area for the first time. A not well-known finch from southeastern Brazil, the gray-breasted warbling finch favors forest edges and gardens. Occurs in low numbers and sometimes can be very difficult to find in some places. We found this nice guy in front of our restaurant at Intervales State Park. It was a real treat. We got lucky. Our last bird is the most tricky to find. The Blacklegged Darkness is a small and restless kind of tanager, endemic to southeast Brazil. The male is very similar to its cousin, the blue darkness. It has a lighter shade of blue and black legs, as you can see here. The female is indeed quite different and can be easily identified. Well, those were the 5 super interesting birds to look for and photograph in southeast Brazil. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button to help my channel. For more information about birding and nature tours in Brazil, write to me. My email is on the description of this video. Thanks for watching.
Right here. Oh my goodness.